लोगों ने झूठ बोलकर फ्लैट बेचा। इन्होंने कमिटमेंट किया था कि 2 साल में दे देंगे फ्लैट, नहीं दिया इन्होंने फ्लैट। हर महीने 2 महीने में इनके पास आते हैं, टाइम पे टाइम देते हैं और जल्दी जल्दी स्लैब बांध के इन्होंने पूरा पेमेंट ले लिया।
Nazia Khan sold her house in Mira Road as well as her gold jewelry to buy a house here 8 years ago. DB Ozone in Dahisar, a project of DB Realty, was to be delivered to buyers in 2012. 4 years later, this is the reality. 3,600 families have been knocking futilely on various doors trying to get answers.
We are staying here in a rented house in Khandeshwar, New Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. We are 5 members, yes. And it's really very difficult, you know. We have to pay the van fees also.
We were abroad working over there, paying our installments, whatever we used to receive from DB. And now when we came back, we are in a total soup. We don't have a house to stay. It is becoming a traumatized situation for us. We don't know what to do and where to go.
For DB Realty, these homes take priority, starting at 6 crores with a chopper ride to ferry potential buyers. Compare this with these 1 and 2 BHK flats sold at 2,500 a square foot. The company's priorities are clear, even though buyers here have paid 89% of the project cost. Buyers were given the option of withdrawing from the project, but with unacceptable riders.
After sending so many reminders, they replied on 9th February 2016 that they are accepting that delays from their end, but at the same time they are saying that however, in all fairness to you, should you choose to elect to terminate your booking, we would abide by our commitment contained in the agreement for sale, which will refund to you monies paid by you at the rate of 9% per annum.
This has become a weekly ritual for DB Ozone's buyers. They meet, protest, negotiate and argue. A Twitter campaign was launched targeting DB Realty. Buyers are now considering an FIR. CNN News 18 visited the company's head office twice and were told that CEO Vipul Bansal is out of town. No one could speak on his behalf. Our calls to him went unanswered.
DB Ozone had lured buyers because of its connectivity to both Mumbai and Thane. In fact, for most buyers, this is their first home, their dream home. Most of these buyers had invested their life savings to buy this property. However, because of absolutely no ongoing construction work happening and false assurances given by these developers, they are left with no choice but to take the legal route. In Mumbai, Radhika Ramaswamy.
All right, let's dig a little deeper and get you some of those voices in greater detail. Radhika Ramaswamy, who's filed that report, joining us this evening from the DB Ozone site, Dahisar in Mumbai, with some of those home buyers. Radhika, it's all yours. What kind of responses really have they been getting repeatedly from the builders? Has it been convincing? And how traumatic really has the experience been?
Yes, I am at the DB Ozone site and with me are the buyers. Now I'll just go straight across to them. Sir, you've been, you all have been united in this fight against the developer. You've been coming here every week, launched protest against the builder, launched Twitter campaigns also against DB Realty. What has the response been as far as the builder is concerned?
Response is absolutely negative. There is no such positive signs regarding the completion of the project. We have been visiting their offices, head offices at the site. Every time we see the same condition. The project is not moving at all ahead, and it is as it is. It was in the month of March.
And do you plan to take this legally? Like you have launched protests, but what about an FIR being filed? Are you planning to take the legal route?
Yeah, we already planned.